Hi guys, I want to show you my head to toe even tone body care routine for my glowy skin and the products that I used for my skincare routine. So guys, I started off by using my face mask. Then after applying my face mask, I have to go into the bathroom to wash it off. After washing it off, the next thing I have to go in with is my acne.org regimen facial cleanser. I have to apply it and allow it to stay on my face. When I finish applying it, then I have to allow it stay. Then the next thing I have to go in with my Fair and White body wash. Then I have to carefully wash my body step by step like so. I have to thoroughly wash my skin just the way you see me do. Then when I was done washing my skin, the next thing I have to do was to go in with my Fair and White exfoliating shower gel. So guys, I have to use the shower gel to exfoliate my skin. When I was done exfoliating my skin, I have to allow it stay for about 5 minutes. Then I have to rinse it off. Guys, just the way you see me do. So guys, when I was done rinsing it off, I have to carefully dab my face with the towel just like you see me do. One thing I do when I damp my skin, I make sure I allow some amount of moisture to remain in my skin so that when I apply my skincare, it can marinate and go deep. So guys, when I was off from the bathroom, I have to go in with my akin.org, the treatment I use for my face. So guys, I have to go in with it just like you see me do. I have to go in with it step by step like this. So when I was done applying the treatment, I have to allow it dry. Then when my face was dry somehow, I have to go in with the moisturizer, akin.org moisturizer. So guys, this is just the 3 products that I use on my face just to keep my face free from acne. Then guys, so I have to take my time to rub the cream so that my skin can absorb it all. Then the next thing I did was I have to go in with my Fair and White Skin Perfector Brightening and Moisturizing Body Milk. So when I was done with that, I have to go in with my So White Skin Perfector Serum Brightening Serum. So I have to mix them together. So guys, when I was done adding the serum, the next thing I did was to go in with my bio oil because I love my skin to glow a lot. So the bio oil you have to go in because it helps to clear off some spots on my skin. Then finally I have to go in with my coconut oil just to make my skin glow. So guys, when I was done, I have to mix it all. The next thing I did was to apply the cream on my body. As you can see, my body is almost breathing so well and my body is feeling so good because I am giving it what it actually needs. So guys, as you can see, my body doesn't bleach. I have my natural color still intact, but my body glows a lot. Like the camera is not doing justice to my skin here, but don't worry. So guys, when I was done applying my body cream, I have to go in with my sunscreen so that sun will not finish Daughter of Zion. So guys, I have to apply it a little, though sometimes I don't use it always, but whenever I'm going out, I make sure I use it. So when I was done, the next thing I have to do was to go in with my hand cream so that my hand can also feel the goodness that my skin is already feeling. So guys, when I was done applying my hand cream, as you can see, my hands are looking soft. I have to go in with my lip balm so that my lip can actually feel the goodness as well. So when I was done with that, I have to go in with my Nivea roll-on just because I love smelling good. So guys, finally, I have to go in with my Herring Body Mist Day and Night Refreshing for women. So guys, this is just basically my skincare routine that I use, and I thank you for hanging in there. I love you. Bye.